Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and we are on day 23. So we are 2 days before Christmas. How crazy is this? So if you've been following the channel, I thank each and every one of you. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. And hopefully things will calm down and be much different starting in 2026. But I appreciate each and every one of you dropping in for just a few minutes to see my thoughts and takes on Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2025. So let's jump in and see what our thoughts are on today. All right, day 23 comes with a couple of things. So it first comes with, it's a quilted notebook cover project. So interesting. So this says simple fabric quilting, crumb piecing quilting, quilt-as-you-go, quilted notebook cover project. Use your fabric stash with the included embroidery panel and pattern to transform a standard 7.5 by 9 3/4 composition book into a unique quilted journal. How cool is that? So, and then it gives you ideas on how you could use it. So this is pretty cool project, different, and Lord, composition books from school, right? Bring back some not necessarily great memories. I'm assuming in here is a composition book. Yes, and it's actually, so it's interesting, right? Because I remember composition books, the old black covered books in that. This is just a plain brown covered one, but then you can make the quilted notebook cover. So I kind of think this is a cool project. It's different. I can make it mine, right? So if I was a lady, I would probably make it more in the pinks or teals and some of those colors. Excuse me. For me, I am probably absolutely going to do this more in the purples and maybe do it red and purple. I was a Sigma Phi Epsilon Sig Up years ago. Red and purple were our fraternity colors, and I still like to do some of those things occasionally. And more importantly, though, they did give us the embroidery design to go in the center, which is kind of cool, but it is hand embroidery, and John is not going to do anything by hand if he doesn't have to. So, but overall, I have to say I'm happy with this. It is different. And if I came up with the right designs in that, I could see really making this for gifts, right? Because the composition books aren't that hard to pick up. And I could see where this could really turn into a fun project to gift to others. So guys, I am happy with day 23. I think it's a cute project idea. They continue to bring a lot of variety into the box this year, which makes me very happy. So I appreciate you dropping in, giving me an opportunity to give you my take on day 23 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Hope you're having an amazing week. Hope you're ready for Christmas. Hope your presents are wrapped and under the tree. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.